Good morning, class. This is your science class, chapter 6, human body. And in the previous class, I have taught you about the different internal organs and their functions. That also I have told you. I told you their functions, that how they do what they do in our body. Okay, so today I'm going to teach you a very important internal organ and its function and parts. Okay, so the organ system that I'm going to teach you today is respiratory system. Respiratory system, as the word suggests you, respiration. And respiration for you, at your level, you can understand only the breathing in and breathing out. Okay, but in higher classes, it is a little bit different. But you understand this right now, that respiration is only a process when we take in oxygen and take out carbon dioxide. Okay, so let's start with the respiratory system, that organ system. First of all, just look at this picture. Okay, I'll just tell you what I have drawn. Here it is written nostrils. It is showing this part, not the lower one. Okay, and just at the back of this nostril, it is nasal passage. See, nasal passage. And then it is continued downside. Okay, so that is known as windpipe. And then you can see there are two branches. Okay, and these structures are known as lungs. So two lungs are there. Okay, and this sheet where I have drawn two lines under the lungs, this is known as diaphragm. Okay, some parts that I left, that I'll tell you. As I told you, windpipe that branches into two parts. Okay, that two parts are known as bronchi. These two branches, okay, that I have drawn with red color, these are bronchi. But these bronchi again get divided. You can see small again pipes are there. So the bronchi gets divided further into branches and they are known as bronchioles. Bronchioles means smaller unit. Bronchi से भी छोटा हो गया, divide होके, ठीक है? And here you can see the balloon like structure, है ना? Ma'am has drawn some balloon like structure, cloud like structure. These are known as alveoli. Okay class? Okay, now just understand the points. As you know, we breathe in through our nose, and in our nose there are two holes in the starting, है ना? The holes, they are known as nostrils. Okay, in front of our nose there are two holes. Those holes are known as nostrils. So we have two nostrils. Okay, those nostrils ended to the nasal passage. यानी यही हमारी नोज में होल्स होते हैं. Then it goes to the connected with the nasal passage where the air that we breathe in goes to the nasal passage, and then afterwards the air that goes in through the nose and nasal passage, it goes to the windpipe. That air is going in the tube-like structure, so that pipe is known as windpipe. Wind means air and the air is going into the pipe. So that is why the name has been given windpipe. Okay. Just like in the previous class, I taught you about the esophagus. Right? That was food pipe because food goes through it. But in this pipe, wind goes through. So that is why the name is windpipe. So food pipe and windpipe both are different in our body. Okay, they are not same, they are different. Okay, so this is known as windpipe. Okay, now air gets in nostril, nasal passage, windpipe, and now it divided to the lungs through bronchi and then bronchioles. Now the air goes into the alveoli. Those alveoli. The air gets into the alveoli, and these alveoli are surrounded. इनके चारों तरफ ब्लड वेसल्स होती हैं. ब्लड वेसल्स यानी उसमें ब्लड होता है. So what the blood vessels do? Blood vessels means blood. Blood takes the oxygen. यानी इसमें से suppose if I am talking about this particular cloud, this particular alveoli, इसमें से जो blood vessels होती हैं, जो इसके surrounding में होती हैं, that blood vessels takes oxygen because oxygen has entered through the nose. Oxygen has been taken by the blood and blood carries carbon dioxide. So there is an exchange. Exchange means blood ने ऑक्सीजन ले लिया और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इसे दे दिया. So carbon dioxide gets collected in the lungs now. So carbon dioxide gets out through the again nostrils. पहले we breathe in air means oxygen. Oxygen we breathe in gets into the lungs and through the alveoli exchange takes place between the blood and the alveoli means oxygen blood ले जाएगा and carbon dioxide is been given to the alveoli. फिर all the carbon dioxide gets collected and taken out through the nose. Okay. So this process is known as respiration. Okay. This process is known as respiration. And so now what is the use of this? Ma'am has not told you anything about the diaphragm. Yes. That sheet, a muscle of sheet, what it does, when we breathe in, so lungs will filled with the air. बड़े हो जाएंगे ना lungs. When you breathe in, you feel that your chest always comes out. So when the air is filled in the lungs, it gets bigger. And when it gets bigger, the diaphragm moves down. ये बड़े हो जाते हैं, lungs bigger हो जाते हैं size में. So the diaphragm goes down. It moves in the downward direction. But when we breathe out, air यहाँ से बाहर जाएगी, then the diaphragm it moves up, down when breathe in and upward when breathe out. So same process goes on. You can experience it also. Straight properly. Sit nicely. Your back should be straight. Now breathe in. Slowly breathe in. Hold it for a second. Now you can see that your chest a little bit is bigger and it comes out. And when you release air, release it. Don't hold it for too long. Release the air. And after releasing, you can see the chest gets in. और उसी के साथ साथ our diaphragm will also goes down and goes up. Okay. So as I told you that you sit properly and breathe in and breathe out, that process is known as deep breathing, that you mostly practice in school also. That is known as deep breathing. So deep breathing is nothing else but taking in more oxygen. बहुत सारी ऑक्सीजन को एक साथ लेना, थोड़ी सी देर से होल्ड करना जितना आप कर सकते हो, एंड देन रिलीज इट आउट. ओके, सो दैट इज नोन एज डीप ब्रीदिंग. It is very important and we have to practice it every day, each and every day. Okay. So now this process I am going to tell you in the very simple manner, in a tabular manner. Okay. So just look at it here. Now see. You can compare it also here. Here I have written in breathing in rib cage. Acha, yes, rib cage, that also I have not told you. Rib cage is a part of bones. You can say made up of bones. Rib cage is made up of bones that protects our lungs. When you touch your chest, अपनी चेस्ट को थोड़ा साइड से प्रेस करके देखो, आपको लगता है ना कुछ लाइंस हैं, बोन्स आपको फील होती हैं अपनी चेस्ट पे, है ना, साइड में भी. सो दीज आर नोन एज रिब केज. रिब केज आर ऑफ दिस स्ट्रक्चर. इस तरह से हमारी फ्रंट पोर्शन में प्रेजेंट होते हैं, इस तरह से दोनों साइड पे. वी हैव 2 लंग्स. तो इस तरह से बोन स्ट्रक्चर होती हैं. इसे हम कहते हैं रिब केज. रिब केज जो हमारे लंग्स को प्रोटेक्ट करता है, क्योंकि लंग्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, तो इट इज बीइंग प्रोटेक्टेड बाय द रिब केज. ओके. सो नाउ रिब केज मूव्स आउटवर्ड. जैसे मैंने कहा था ना कि जब ब्रीद इन करते हो तो फील करो आपकी चेस्ट बाहर आएगी, बड़ी हो जाती है ना. आउटवर्ड एंड अपवर्ड. जो रिब केज है, जब हम ब्रीद इन करते हैं, it goes outward and upward. When we breathe out, इसका अपोजिट करो, उल्टा हो गया बिल्कुल इसका. Rib cage moves in place of outward की जगह inward, and upward की जगह it is downward. So rib cage moves inward and downward when we breathe out. Okay. डायफ्राम कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स एंड फ्लैटन्स. ब्रीद इन है, ब्रीद इन बोला ना, ये लंग्स बड़े होंगे. द डायफ्राम गोज डाउन. कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होगा मीन्स थोड़ा सिकुड़ जाएगा और नीचे की साइड आएगा, फ्लैट हो जाता है. जैसे अभी तो इसकी स्ट्रक्चर थोड़ी सी आई हैव मेड इट लाइक अ लिटिल बिट कर्व्ड, देन इट गेट्स फ्लैटन. इट मूव्स डाउन एंड गेट्स फ्लैटन, सीधा हो जाएगा. ओके. एंड when we breathe out it relaxes, यानी दोबारा से अपनी पोजीशन ले लेगा and rises up, ऊपर चला जाएगा और कर्व्ड हो जाएगा. ठीक है. चेस्ट एक्सपेंड्स. एक्सपेंड्स मीन्स बड़ा होना, एक्सपैंड होना. ठीक है, फैलना. सो चेस्ट एक्सपेंड्स when we breathe in, chest contracts when we breathe out. Okay. Air filled in the lungs. जब हम ब्रीदिंग करते हैं तो एयर हमारे लंग्स में फिल हो जाती है. व्हेन वी ब्रीद आउट, एयर गोज आउट ऑफ द लंग्स. ब्रीद आउट मीन्स एयर विल गेट आउट, एंड एयर विल गेट आउट मीन्स ओनली कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज गेटिंग आउट. ब्रीदिंग इन मीन्स ऑक्सीजन गेट्स इन द लंग्स. ओके क्लास, आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड. वी हैव ओनली स्टडीड द फंक्शन ऑफ रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम and the parts of respiratory system. Okay. Breathing in, what happens in the respiratory system when we breathe in, and what happens when we breathe out. Okay. Okay. So now there is no need to draw the diagram right now. Okay. अभी आज आपको कोई डायग्राम नहीं बनाना है. The written work I have given you side by side. Just do the written work in neat handwriting. Okay, in neat and good handwriting, whatever you find important, you can underline the word with red pencil. I want you to write defines, and the name of the defines with red pencil or underline them with red pencil so that your work will look beautiful. Okay, class? Thank you.